Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Vercel environment variables safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Vercel environment variables safely, begin by logging into your Vercel account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you can see your projects listed. Select the project for which you want to update the environment variables. Once in the project view, locate the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings tab to access the project settings. Scroll down to the Environment Variables section. You will see a list of existing environment variables for your project. To add a new environment variable, click on the Add button. In the provided fields, input the name of the variable in the first box. In the second box, enter the value for that variable. Make sure to set the correct environment for the variable, such as development, preview, or production. If you want to update an existing variable, find it in the list and click the pencil icon next to it. Edit the variable name or value as needed and ensure you select the correct environment again. For better security, avoid hard-coding sensitive information directly in your application. Consider using Vercel's built-in secrets management for sensitive data. After making your changes, save the new or updated variable by clicking the Save button. Verify that the changes have been recorded correctly in the list of environment variables. If needed, you can refresh your deployment to apply the new settings. Lastly, test your application locally and on Vercel to ensure everything functions as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.